how to manage your WordPress website notifications. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage your WordPress website notifications easily. So all what you have to do is simple. Go to WordPress. This is the dashboard page, as you can see. Now go here, click on the top on your profile. Now all what you have to do is simple. Just click on notification settings. As you can see right here, you can manage your website notifications easily. You have comments, likes on my comments, site follows, site achievements, username mentions, and post publicized. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.